What is up, you guys? This is LEGO Superheroes Today. Thanks for tuning in, because today we're going to be looking at my MOC of Ghost Rider's 1969 Dodge Charger, aka the Hell Charger from Marvel Comics and from Marvel's Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. The minifigure that I've paired with this is a minifigure of Ghost Rider from Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. The head is taken from the Spider-Man set 76058 Ghost Rider Team-Up, and the torso was given to me by my friends over at Minifig Factory. Then the legs, of course, are just standard short black legs. So it's a pretty simple figure in all of that. There we go. So now I'm going to break this thing apart and show you a quick time lapse of how it was built. So that's the Hell Charger, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. For more content, feel free to join me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and right here on YouTube for LEGO reviews, news, and daily photos from your favorite LEGO themes. Thanks for tuning in. This has been an official transmission from LEGO Superheroes Today. And as always, build on.